This video is sponsored by BCA Bearings, the #1 supplier of OE quality hub assemblies. Visit thebcahub.com for more information.
Okay, here's the situation. Customer comes to your shop complaining of noise, a humming that corresponds with the speed of the vehicle. You think it could be the wheel bearing. You go for a test drive. You hear the noise. So you pull it out of the rack and there's no play in the bearings. So what's going on here? Well, what has typically happened is that the customer either hit a curb, a pothole, and it's caused a small dimple in one of the races or the ball bearings of the wheel bearing. Over time, this circulates around and around. The damage accumulates. The two surfaces start to change, and this is what's causing the noise. It may not cause any play in the bearing, but eventually down the road, it's going to cause play. You just caught it early. This is your opportunity to replace the wheel bearing before it fails on the customer and causes a safety issue. So, recommend wheel bearing replacement in this case to resolve the noise, but it also addresses a safety concern. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.